Hi everybody, it's Lynn again. As you can see, I'm outside in my backyard, and today I brought the, as seen on TV, Power Grill outside, and there's a reason for this. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the pros and the cons of the Power Grill that I've found so far. Alright, hang on and we'll take a look. As you can see, I've got the grill disassembled, and I've only got the base right here because I wanted to show you what's inside. Inside is a little fan. Okay, now one of the things that the fan does suck the smoke down, or any smoke from what's grilling on the grill plate down, but there's no filter or anything like that that really is taking away the smoke itself, or if there is a filter, it's not a very successful one, because when I cooked inside the house later, after I went back outside and in and out, I could smell the cooking smells, the leftover cooking smells, just like you would smell from frying steak or meats or anything like that. And I don't have a great kitchen vent or hood vent over my cooktop, so anytime I do that, I get smells. And that's one of the things I like about cooking outside on the grill, is that you keep those smells outside. So I've decided for the most part that I'm going to use the grill outside. Okay, now as you can see, I've got the grill reassembled, and I'd like to mention some of the things that I really like about the grill. The best thing about the grill is that it's super easy to clean. The plate itself is non-stick. The outside base is a very hard plastic. It cleans really nicely. Just take a damp cloth and wipe it off. The aluminum pan also cleans up fairly easy. As of yet, what I've cleaned in the I've done part by hand and part in the dishwasher. I haven't put the grill plate in the dishwasher because it's non-stick, and my experience with non-stick skillets is that after time the non-stick actually wears off. Also, I haven't put the lid in the dishwasher because it has a rubber base on the bottom, and I think the dishwasher would also ruin it over time. The metal drip pan I put in the dishwasher, and the lower drip container, which is hard plastic, I've also put those in the dishwasher, and they've come out clean as a whistle. So it's very easy to keep clean. Now I've got it heating up, and as I mentioned, today is going to be the third time that I've actually used the grill, and I've got some things marinating, and in a moment we'll be ready to cook. So today I've got marinating some portobello peppers, some onion slices, and some red bell pepper. I've marinated them in a bit of soy sauce, and I've also found recently this really good marinade. It's called Greek inspired souvlaki marinade. It comes from Kroger. This is not an advertisement, but this is really good stuff if you like Middle Eastern food. So I've heated the grill to the highest temperature, which is 450. It says 450, but I believe it could be a little hotter. Just depends on how you read the grill. As you can see, where the setting for the 450 is, it does show that it still goes up a bit higher. Now I've got the peppers and the onions and the mushroom on the grill. You should be able to hear them sizzling. And this will give you an idea about how much the grill will hold, because these are 3 medium-sized portobello mushrooms, 1 good-sized onion, and 1 red bell pepper. And as you can see, I've got the temp still on high, and it's sizzling very well. When I cooked before, I put it at 350, thinking that would be a good temperature. But now what I think is that I need to start it high, and then if I need to later, I can turn it down, turn down the setting, because it heats up very, very quickly, and then when you turn it down, the temp goes down pretty fast as well. While the vegetables are continuing to cook, let's talk about some of the details about the grill itself. The TV offer is for 3 payments of $39.95. When you go to the website and you start the order process, you can actually just go ahead and pay the entire amount at once, which is of course $120. Is it worth $120? Well, I guess that just will be something that we'll see in the long run. I imagine if this product becomes more popular and it gets sold on the retail market, the price is going to go down. Just like what happened with the Instant Pot, if any of you are familiar with that. Because I didn't receive the griddle plate or the 2 cookbooks that were in the original offer online, I called customer service, and they are promising that I will receive them in 4 to 6 weeks, that they are on back order right now. I do hope that the griddle plate does come, because I think it'll be a nice feature, especially because the thermostat unit has the lower temps on it, and I think it would work great for things like doing pancakes and those kind of foods. Okay, so let's see how we're doing with the cooking. Okay, I've turned the veggies again, all except 2 of the portobello mushrooms, because they've got that good souvlaki marinade in them, and I don't want to dump that down into the pan. I'm just going to let them cook in that way and see how they go. As you can see on the other one, we've got nice char marks. The onions are getting nice and charred, and as I said, this is the 3rd time that I've used the grill, and everything that I've made I think has come out really well. Is it the same thing as your propane or briquette or wood fire that you might use in your grill or barbecue outside? No, it's not the same thing, because it has an electric heating unit, and so you're not going to get all of that heat that you get from a grill like that. I want to mention the information online said that it would hold about 6 hamburgers or 4 steaks, and I would say that's about right. You might stretch it depending on the size of your hamburgers to 8 hamburgers, but I think that's about what it will hold. It's the kind of thing that, you're going to make lunches or things like that. It's not the kind of grill that you're going to use for a whole party, a pool party for dozens of people. Okay, I'm gonna let this finish cooking and we'll see how we go. So let me sum up. I think this grill is a good grill for the type of grill it is. It works pretty well. The best pro is the cleanup and the preparation. It gets hot very, very quickly, and the cleanup is super easy. So you can, if you want to get barbecuing, you can get barbecuing this, very, very fast. It's not the type of grill that you would use for a big you know, probably making ribs or a lot of steaks, you know, if you're going to feed a lot of people. But for quick time and not in order not to heat up a grill, I think this power grill is a good option. And I know that I'm probably going to be using it quite a bit. As I said, I'm going to use it outside because it does keep the smell of the food, the cooking smell, in the house. But I have that same issue with things that I might cook on the stove top. Okay folks, so if you watched all this video and you like the video, if you would want to give the video a like down below, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, please do that as well. Hopefully we'll see you cooking again or doing something else. Take care.